Recently, I was introduced to Herbalife meal replacement shakes. Before then, I had never heard of the product. Long story short, using the product along with diet and exercise, I was able to drop over 12 pounds and close to 4 inches in my waist in about 3 weeks. And it was at that point that I decided to travel the world and visit various Herbalife clubs to hear inspiring stories, check out some great recipes as I continue to live my best Herbalife and help you to live yours. Can you dig that? I can dig it. Dig that nutrition. Let's go. I travel all around the world, I'm seeing different faces and Herbalife clubs in various places. Now watch me grind and lose this weight one Herbalife shake at a time. Now watch me grind and lose this weight one Herbalife shake at a time. Now watch me grind and lose this weight one Herbalife shake at a time. This episode of the Herbalife Roadshow, join me as I stop in at Oatein Nutrition, located in Temecula, California. Here, I got a chance to sit in with a pretty fun store owner. She had a very inspiring story, and as always, gave me some very delicious recipes to share with you all. So, can you dig that? I can dig that. Dig that nutrition. Let's go. What is your name?
Rhonda Aaron.
Okay, Rhonda. So, how did Herbalife find you?
Oh my goodness.
What's your Herbalife story, may I say?
Oh my gosh. Before Herbalife, I was 55 pounds heavier, and I had some serious digestive issues happening.
Okay.
And I was no energy, took naps all day during the day. I was working as a server at a Mexican restaurant, and I had one of my customers tell me they knew the situation I was going through, and they told me to go to this lady's garage, because that's where she served this amazing aloe vera and shakes, and she said, I really think it will help your digestive system. So I was like, okay. So I didn't care at that point. I was like so miserable. So I went, and she served me the aloe, the tea, the fiber, and the shake. The first week, I lost 6 pounds, and by the time the second week came, my digestive system was intact. So that's a big deal for me. So, and she couldn't speak any English. So it didn't matter that she didn't speak English and I barely spoke a couple words of Spanish. We still connected, and we ended up opening up our first nutrition club together in 2010. And we worked that club, and then we ended up branching off, and I opened 3 more clubs in the same city of Hemet. And then I had a lot of people join my team that saw what we were doing, and they ended up opening their own club. And I went to Active World Team the first 18 months, Get Team within 2.5 years, and then 3 years later hit Mill Team, and now I'm working towards Press Team.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you. Super exciting. Yep.
So what's your favorite part about coming to the club every day?
My favorite part about coming to the club every day is seeing all the happy people and being a light to others, and just keeping it a positive thing. And this is our happy place. This is not just my bar, this is our bar. And everybody knows that, and everybody feels that, and it's just like, it's a huge thing. It's like a ministry for me, and I love it, and I just thank God every day.
What convinced you to open your first club, though?
Well, my results, and then everybody at work was asking me about it.
Okay.
And then, so losing 50 pounds and having all this energy, everyone at work noticed, right? And I was a server before, so
Okay.
this is like my niche.
Yeah.
Talking to people, making them comfortable, know their drinks, so it just made sense.
Yeah. Now, I travel all around, even in COVID, and that's what surprises people. But when I come into these clubs, you never notice that COVID is going on outside because it's so lively in here. People come here and it's just like family. And
this is the normal place.
It is.
This is where they come. Normal? This is where they come to be normal, and I am all about that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's got to be normal because we're normal. It is different. I bet. Yeah. I don't know if I see it on camera, but there's very few people that come in here that have masks.
Yeah.
But Yeah, but when they do, they'll walk in and then
they'll be like,
they'll take.
Because that's me. I'm both ways. I'm like, if you want me to wear it, I will. I don't want to, but I will if you want me to.
Right.
But this is
That's what I think.
I love it. I love it.
And now they just all know. So you know, it's almost every one of them came in today.
Yeah.
Like normal.
Yeah. And it made sense when I was in Gig Harbor. Brian and Carrie Treat. One thing Brian said, he was like, if you're gonna wear the mask, you might as well build up your immune system with some of the. And so we started naming some of the products, even what you was naming with like the Bestie things and some other things.
Well,
it makes sense.
Yeah, immunity essentials. I've been preaching health for 11 years. Why would I cover my face?
no, exactly.
I'm a healthy person, and healthy people don't cover their faces.
No.
As far as that's what I think. Yeah. If you're sick, and then you put your mask on, and then that's fine. But I don't.
Yeah. I hear you.
Right? Our immune systems are untapped.
Yeah.
This is the oats.
And you call it, what kind of bowl is this again?
Instant oats. This is Oatein.
Oatein bowl.
Oatein bowls. Hot. We add the protein to it, and we have either maple, pecan, pumpkin spice, or banana caramel.